wireless LDN3V display receiver with broadcast voice. It's ideally for restaurants and any in-house queuing solutions. We will do a demonstration to see how it works. First of all, we got a TE505NA transmitters, and we got a LDN3V display receiver. So basically, I just press the number on the TE505NA transmitters. For example, I press number 35 and I press send.
Visitor number 35, please come to examination room.
In order to set up combination editing in the announcement, the LDN3V programming software allows users to choose keywords from each boxes. In the settings section, we have bell. So users is allowed to turn off or on from the bell sound. And we have keyword 1. Two. Numbers. Keyword 3. And finally, keyword 4 of setting up the sentence in an announcement. And we write it.